how to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone. So let's get started. There are various ways to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone, but we are here showing you the iTunes method. So first, you will need to transfer photos from iPhone to computer. Windows PC, simply connect your iPhone to PC or laptop with a USB cable and send it to the Windows PC. And in Mac, connect your iPhone to Mac with a USB cable and launch the photo apps and select a device and send it. Now, you can transfer photos from computer to iPhone. If using Windows or Mac OS Mojave or earlier, connect your new iPhone to your computer with a USB cable and launch iTunes and click your device icon, then click the Photos header and click the Sync Photos and choose an application or folder. Then you can see the Apply option available in the button. Click Apply. If using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, connect your new iPhone to your Mac with a USB cable, launch the Finder app and select your device and click the Photos header and check Sync Photos to your device from and choose an application or folder and simply click Apply. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.